Welcome back. In this lesson, we will take a look at how to create the required interface for our calculator basic function block. Let's open our solution. We will select it from the recent project section. Let's open the calculator basic function block. Leave the init event as is. We will use one event for each of the 4 calculator operations. Since we don't need the request event, rename it. We cannot use words such as add because they are reserved words or keywords used in the standard. Let's call our 4 input events addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We don't need to make any changes to the output events. Init O is emitted when the init algorithm is executed, and the CNF event is emitted when any of the 4 calculator operations are performed. We will limit the operations to 2 variables only. Let's add 2 input data variables of type int and call the output data variable as out, also of type int. The input data into is shown italicized here, and this means it has no event association. The tool is warning us that data association is missing. Indeed, we need to associate this data with some input event, or else this data won't be usable by the function block, such as in the algorithms. We will take a look at why data associations are important at the end of this section in the last lesson. Let's associate all the data with all the events. There are a couple of ways to do it. One way is using the with column in the interface editor. For each event, you can click on the button that opens a window and then select the data to be associated with that event. The second way is to select the data, hold the kick, do not release it, drag it over the event that it needs to be associated with, and release the click. You can multi-select the data using control click and dragging and dropping. Note that the operation is always a negation operation, meaning if when you multi-select your data that is already associated and you drag and drop it, it becomes unassociated. In this example here, in2 got associated and in1 got unassociated on drag and drop. That's all for this lesson. In the next lesson, we will design our state machine, that is the ECC, and also add the required algorithms.